Well, it's time to go feed that little girl. Actually, I'm a little bit late. I fell asleep. It's a long day. Oh, what do we have here? You came looking for your food, did you? Okay, I'll be with you in just a second, girl. I wasn't fast enough for you. Come on. Okay, I can't walk when you have your head between my legs. You're making it very difficult. Okay, come on, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Whoops. Where are you? There you are. Okay. She's on my butt. She's got a hold of my coat, biting on my coat, hanging on to it. I don't feed her up here because I don't want her up here. But as you can see, where the hell is she? There she is. Come on through the gate. Even though it don't matter, you'll run right through the wire anyway because you walk right underneath it. Okay. You ready? Let's go. Everybody else is laying down there around the hay feeder. Kind of dark, can't really see. They're there. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on, Mama. Head butting me in the butt. She's right there. Hang on to my coat. I'm trying to walk. Can't get in the video because she's hanging onto my back end of my coat. There you are. Okay. Come on down to your little house. You spoiled little girl. Go on in. Go on in. Oh, okay. Okay. Where's our lid? There we go. There you go. Okay. Fully drinking on her own. 110%. I don't have to mess around with bottles. Just mix her up and bring it down the pail. Put it on the floor for her. And she's eaten 3/4 of her grain. And I brought hay down last night for the 3rd time, and she ate about, probably 1/3 of what I brought down last night. We'll lock her in here for the night so she's not a danger for any predators, even though I haven't seen any around except for a dog. that raised hell. But if that dog comes around again, it will be toast. Like there's an old saying, a proven dog on the farm is a dead one. Look at that, she drank that whole 4 liters, just boom, gone. But she's licking the bottom of the pail. Now she'll headbutt it, and then she'll headbutt me, saying, I want more, but that's all you're going to get, because I don't want you getting the shits. Yeah. Okay. You're going to headbutt me now. Because you want some attention, yeah. You're going to suck and chew on my jeans. That's why my coats are all ripped to shit, you know, it's because all the years of bottle feeding, or not bottle feeding, but raising drop calves like this and teaching them to drink, and they hang on to your coat and they chew on it. You know, they only have teeth. They only have teeth on the bottom, in the front, but they've got very strong molars in the back that will bite your fingers off if you get your fingers in the very back of their mouth. That's why when you give them those boluses, you use that plastic thing, and if you have to tube them because they're bloating, you have to use a piece of PVC pipe and run the hose inside of that, because they chew the hose in half. Not so much at this age, but you know, another month and they will. But they'll do damage on your fingers. I've had them this age where I've gotten my fingers too far back in their mouth and they've chomped down on it, and I've had blood around the base of the fingernails. I'm gonna roll the container around. Yeah, okay. Tidy ho ho. Yeah. I went to go get 1 ton of feed today with the trailer, and I was hooking up the trailer and I didn't see her around anywhere. I assumed she was back with the other cows at the hay feeder, and I loaded the dogs in the truck and I headed out of the driveway. And you know, my driveway from where the trailers were parked is like 850 feet to the road, and for some reason something told me as I reached the road to look in the rearview mirror, and about 100 feet behind me, behind the trailer, this little girl was running full tilt out down the road after me, and which put a delay on getting my feed. So I had to stop the truck there at the road, walk her back down here, lock her in here, and then walk all the way back out to the road to the truck. And then when I got back home, I walked down here and let her out. And as I'm trying to hook up the boom truck to the 1 ton feed bag, I'm trying to get the chains on the lifting eyes, and she headbutts me in the butt and sends me flying into the feed bag. Only because I wasn't expecting it, and I didn't hear her jump up onto the trailer, because the trailer deck is icy and I was moving around on it and not really paying attention. And it's, you know, the trailer's a good 18 inches off the ground, but she just jumped up there like it was nothing. Okay, I'm going to lock her in. Number 44 here. That's her number. She wants to suck and chew on my coat. So we're going to lock her in her nice straw here tonight. And Mama can come and look in over top of the door. I'm going to chew on my coat. No, you stay. You stay. Not much left of this door. Mama tore the whole top part apart. ran right through it. And I had it built strong with 2x4s and the joints with plywood over top like this. And she just, it's a two-section door. And she basically ripped this bottom part right off the hinges and busted through the top door. And she jumped over top of this door when she got the top door busted open. And the belly got hung up on it. And she kept kicking until she got over. Is that right? Is that right? And it's been too cold for me to rebuild the door, so I get this back on the hinges. So we just have a piece of electric fencing wire here. And we just make a little bit of a clincher around here like this, so that she can't push it open. One bottom hinge is still hanging on a little bit. So that's her in her cage. Mama can come and stick her head in here and have a look at her. So that's it for this Friday night. 11 minutes, 18 seconds, and we're out.